An industry is an economic activity concerned with the production of goods, extraction of resources, or provision of services. In geography, industries are typically classified into primary, extractive, secondary, manufacturing, tertiary, services, and quaternary, knowledge-based services. In Zimbabwe, industries play a crucial role in the nation's economic development by providing employment, generating income, and promoting infrastructural growth. Major industries include mining, agriculture-based processing, manufacturing, textiles, and energy production. Here are 10 importance of industries in Zimbabwe. 1. Creation of employment opportunities. Industries absorb a large number of Zimbabweans in both skilled and unskilled jobs, thereby reducing unemployment and improving the standard of living for many citizens. 2. Contribution to national income. Industries contribute significantly to the country's gross domestic product, GDP, through the production of goods and services, enhancing government revenue through taxes and exports. 3. Promotion of urbanization. Industrial growth encourages the development and expansion of towns and cities such as Harare, Bulawayo, and Mutare, as people migrate to urban centers in search of employment and better living standards. 4. Value addition to raw materials. Zimbabwe's industries process raw materials such as minerals, agricultural produce, and timber into finished or semi-finished goods, increasing their market value and reducing reliance on imports. 5. Promotion of international trade. By producing exportable goods such as processed minerals, textiles, and manufactured products, industries earn foreign currency and improve Zimbabwe's balance of trade position. 6. Stimulation of infrastructure development. The establishment of industries leads to the construction of roads, railways, water supplies, power stations, and communication networks, benefiting both industrial operations and surrounding communities. 7. Diversification of the economy. Industries help to reduce overdependence on agriculture and mining by introducing a variety of economic activities, making Zimbabwe's economy more resilient to global market fluctuations. 8. Development of ancillary and service industries. Industrial growth encourages the establishment of supporting services like transport, banking, insurance, marketing, and security services, creating additional employment and business opportunities. 9. Regional development and decentralization. Industries established in various parts of the country promote balanced regional development by creating economic hubs in areas outside Harare, such as Gweru, Kwekwe, and Mutare. 10. Technological advancement and skills development. Industries introduce modern technology, technical expertise, and vocational skills to the local workforce through training and industrial experience, which benefits other sectors of the economy.